What's going on, guys? It's RASHAD Russell here from Technically Autonomous. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to use Bubble to create an app. Now, Bubble is a pretty amazing tool. It's a drag and drop web app builder where you can build some pretty dynamic apps in a short period of time in comparison to developing from scratch by writing code. So Bubble is one of the top no-code apps on the market. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to create a marketplace app, a real estate marketplace app. And by the end of this course, by the end of this video series, you should be able to create almost any app that you want, that you can think of. And in this video series, we're going to go through some of the main features of the Bubble app that you're most likely going to be dealing with, some of the main controls and functions. I'm going to show you how to use all of that to put together a real estate marketplace app, such as some common features that we're going to build is a listings page where you list all of the houses that's on the marketplace. We're going to have a housing details page where when you click on a house, you can see more information about it. We're going to build in a search functionality where you can search by city that you are interested in purchasing houses. We're going to also add some additional filters, like you can filter your house, your listings based on price, based on how many rooms or baths a particular home has. We're going to also show you how to build things like email, where you can send email apps where if you want to inquire on a house and contact the agent or the homeowner to potentially purchase a house. So all of this you can do with Bubble in a relatively short amount of time. So what might take you months to create by hand and code, you can do in a couple of days or a week within Bubble. A typical feature that normally would have taken me 5 hours, 4 hours to make by writing hand code, I can do within 4 minutes or less using Bubble. So that's the awesome power of it. So, but nonetheless, let's get started. If you're interested, if this all sounds good to you, stay tuned for the next couple of videos.